Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the SUMIF function. Over here I have a list of customers. I want to know what their total sales is, and I created some sales over here. So to do the SUMIF, I want to know what the total sales for the fish shack are, total sales for ABC Fish, and they're all listed in this column. So Fish Shack is 15. But I'm going to make a formula that calculates that out. And I'll use that with the SUMIF. I'll go up to this insert function button, and in here you can type in a description, SUMIF, and I'll select the SUMIF. And first it wants the range that I want to match to. And so I'm going to choose that one, that column. Tab down to the criteria here. The criteria is going to be Fish Shack. And then I'll tab down to the sum range. And then I'll select the column with the total that I want it to retrieve from. And then hit OK. It's a little bit laggy here. And so we see here, Fish Shack is coming up with 15, which we can see here is 10 plus 5 is 15. And it should do the same with ABC Fish, only it'll come up with 20. So I'll just copy this down. Comes up with 20. Seafood Cafe should come up 10. And it does. And all the rest of them, it should come up with 0. And so that's how you create a SUMIF function. This is just an example of easy to do math here. But this is especially helpful when you have a long list of numbers like so. So I'm going to do the same with that list. So I'll do the function wizard, SUMIF. For the range, I'm going to choose the customer. For the criteria, I'll choose Fish Shack. And for the sum range, I'll highlight the sales column and hit enter. And then it totals up for everything that shows as Fish Shack on the sales here. And then I'll copy this down, and I'll have the total sales for each of my customers. And that's how you use the SUMIF function in Excel. Thank you for watching.